Hello everyone, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. We are continuing with our Christmas series, and today we are making something very simple and delicious. We are making a slice using strawberry jelly. This is a favorite for both adults and young children. I'll just take you through the ingredients that we are going to be using. Very few ingredients, by the way. So we've got 250 grams, which is one packet of Arnott's Arrowroot milk biscuits. We have got 400 grams of sweetened condensed milk. We've got 85 grams of strawberry flavored jelly. You can use whatever flavor that you like. We've got gelatin, and we are going to be using 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon. We've got 175 grams of unsalted butter, which we are going to melt. And of course, we'll have our water that we'll use for the jelly and also for the gelatin. I'll be telling you the measurements as we go. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So to start off, we've got our jelly that we have emptied into this jug, and it's 85 grams. And we've added 1.5 cups of boiling water. I'm just going to stir it to dissolve. Once it's dissolved, I'm going to put it in the fridge so it can chill. This is going to be for about 45 minutes. You don't want it to set hard. You just want it to be cold. And we'll move on to the next step, which is preparing our crust. For the second step, we have got our biscuits that we have crushed into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor. I use the nutribullet. And we are going to mix that with our 175 grams of unsalted butter that we have melted. So we'll mix that, and this will form our base, which is our crust. You mix until everything is well combined and it resembles sand. The mixture will resemble wet sand. Once everything is well mixed, you take your tray. I've got a slice tray here that I've lined, and you empty your crumbs into the tray. And what you want to do is to press them down so that they are packed. So I'm just going to use the base of the cup, a measuring cup, and just make sure that it's nicely packed. So this is the base of our slice. It will go into the fridge for 30 minutes so it can just chill and set. Whilst our base is in the fridge chilling, we are going to dissolve our gelatin. So this is 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon on top. And then we dissolve with 1/2 cup of hot water. And once it's dissolved, I'm going to add my condensed milk. So we are using the whole tin. So this is a 395 grams tin. So I'm just going to stir so that this is combined. It's well combined. Now I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit before I pour it on top of the crust that's chilling in the fridge. So our crust was in the fridge chilling for 30 minutes. Now we are going to pour our mixture over. So this is the condensed milk that's been mixed with gelatin, and it's gonna go back into the fridge for another 30 minutes to sit. We are very close to enjoying our slice. So now the final step is I'm going to pour the cold jelly. It's just been chilling, it hasn't set. I'll pour it over, and then I'll return this to the fridge to set. And then once it's set, I'll come back and show you our beautiful slice. So our slice has set. As you can see, it's nice and firm. That took about an hour and a few minutes. So I'll just say you can leave it in there for an hour and a half. And then I've got my warm knife. I've just dipped it in warm water and then wiped with a paper towel that I'm going to use to cut.